Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving straight into some key economic trends. Recently, U.S. retail sales saw a 1% increase month over month. Now, that might not sound like much, but in economic terms, it's significant. If this trend continues, it could lead to over 12% growth annually, which is not something we see often, especially with concerns about a potential recession. Yet, American consumers are still spending steadily. Walmart and Costco are perfect examples of this. Walmart stock has risen over 30% this year, and Costco isn't far behind. What's driving this surge? Rising restaurant prices are pushing people to cook more at home, leading to increased grocery sales at these big box stores. With nearly 60% of Walmart's revenue coming from groceries, this shift in consumer behavior is boosting their bottom line. Interestingly, while inflation has been a major concern, the U.S. is one of the few countries where wages have been rising faster than inflation. For 12 consecutive months, real wages adjusted for inflation, have been increasing. This rise in purchasing power is a key reason why companies like Walmart and Costco continue to perform well. Now, let's turn to Canada. Despite the strong U.S. economy, Canada is facing a major brain drain. The wage gap between the U.S. and Canada is widening, leading many of Canada's brightest talents, especially recent graduates and skilled workers, to move south. For example, a top graduate from a Canadian university in software engineering might earn nearly double in the U.S. compared to Canada, making it an easy decision to relocate. New Zealand is facing a similar issue with Australia. The wage gap there is driving young New Zealanders to move to Australia in search of better opportunities. Over the past year, a record number of New Zealanders, especially those in their 20s, have left for Australia. So, why now? New Zealand has been hit hard by economic challenges in recent years. The country prioritized environmental policies during the pandemic, including a ban on new oil and gas exploration. But with inflation rising and economic growth slowing, the government is now reversing some of these policies in an attempt to boost the economy. This situation highlights the importance of balancing sustainability with economic stability. Without this balance, countries risk losing their most valuable resource, their people. That's a look at how the U.S. is thriving while Canada and New Zealand are grappling with challenges. If you found this episode helpful, please subscribe and share it.